My name is Sylvia Melina, and today I will share you about the dangers of early marriage for young girls. Guys, have you ever imagined a situation where a girl's education suddenly stops because people expect her to become housewife? For many girls in Indonesia, this is not just imagination, but a real and painful reality. Recent data from BP3AKB 2024 shows that in West Nusa Tenggara, the early marriage rate 51.8%. One tradition related to this issue is known as menarik kode. This tradition raises an important question. Should it be protected as a cultural heritage, or should it be avoided because it harms the children? Although some people defend early marriage for cultural and religious reasons, it can seriously damage children's health, children's education, and mental development. Because of these harmful effects, the practice of menarik kode needs serious attention and discussion in society. One of the most serious impacts of early marriage is the danger it creates for the physical health of teenage girls and their babies. The bodies of teenage girls are usually not fully ready for pregnancy and childbirth. When a girl becomes pregnant at a very young age, her reproductive system may still be developing, which increases the risk of medical complication. This complication can include infection, severe bleeding, trauma, and premature birth. In some cases, young mothers also experience long-term health problems. Babies born from teenage mothers are also at higher risk of having low birth weight or developmental problems. Because of these risks, early marriage can threaten the health of both the mother and the child from the very beginning of life. Another major impact of early marriage is the loss of educational opportunities. When girls marry at a young age, they often have to stop going to school. Once they leave school, it becomes very difficult for them to continue their education later. Without proper education, their chances of getting good jobs and achieving financial independence become very limited. As a result, many young couples who marry early struggle with economic difficulties. This situation can create a cycle of poverty that affects not only the couple but also their children in the future. Education plays a very important role in helping young people build better lives. So, losing access to education can have long-term negative consequences. Early marriage also has serious psychological effects on young girls. Many teenagers are not emotionally ready to handle the responsibilities of marriage. Being a wife, managing a household, and becoming a parent require maturity and emotional stability. When these responsibilities come too early, many young brides feel overwhelmed and stressed. Studies show that many young people aged 15 until 24 experience mental health problems such as anxiety, stress, and depression. These problems can become even worse for girls who enter marriage at a young age. In addition, The power imbalance in some marriages can make young wives more vulnerable to domestic violence or emotional abuse. When conflicts happen, they may feel powerless and unable to protect themselves. Guys, early marriage also uh, affects social relationships and personal development. Teenagers normally spend their time learning, building friendships, and discovering their interests and talents. However, girls who marry early often lose these opportunities. They might become socially isolated. Why? Because their daily responsibilities focus on household duties and child care. Over time, this isolation can reduce their confidence and limit their ability to participate actively in society. This situation prevents many young women from reaching their full potential and contributing to their communities. And maybe supporters of Marie Curie often argue that the tradition helps prevent premarital relationships and protects moral values. Respecting culture and religion is important, but traditions that cause harm should be reconsidered. Many religious teachings actually emphasize compassion, protecting, and well-being for individuals. But according to Kusuma 2025 as an article, the tradition of Marie Curie can cause physical, psychological, and economic harm for young couples. Using marriage mainly as a way to control young people's behavior does not solve the problem. Instead, it can create more serious social. It can create more serious social issues such as poverty, poor health, and limited opportunities for young people to develop their abilities. In addition, society needs to recognize that protecting children should always be the priority. Children deserve the right to grow, learn, and build their future before taking on adult responsibilities. Education, support from families, and positive community values can help young people make better life decisions. Instead of encouraging early marriage, communities should focus on providing guidance, knowledge, and opportunities for teenagers to develop their skills and dreams. And guys, the conclusion is the negative effects of early marriage on children's health, children's education, and mental well-being are far greater than the cultural reasons used to justify it. Allowing this practice to continue means failing to protect the children and limiting their future opportunities. Therefore, stronger actions are needed to address this issue. The government should enforce laws about the minimum age for marriage, while communities should promote awareness about the importance of education and child protection. Teachers, parents, and religious leaders must work together to encourage girls to stay in school and pursue their dreams. By supporting education and empowering young women, society can help ensure that every girl has the chance to build a better and more hopeful future. Okay everyone, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!